Dito tayo ngayon sa isa sa mga kliyente natin na restaurant, MNace Grill. Check lang natin yung mga stocks nila. Sana nandito si Ma'am Gwen, yung owner. Kuha tayo ng mga reorders for today. This is located here in Congressional Avenue here in Quezon City. Check lang natin, no? There, restock sila ng big size. Small, meron pa sila dito. Siyahanin natin. No? So, restock sila ng big size. I'll deliver it tomorrow. Yung 500 ml size. That's it. You know, just need to go to your clients, check kung may stocks pa sila. And then pag konti na, get the reorder, done. Restock, same cycle. Ano kung may 100 kang kliyente, no? 100 kang kliyente na mga business establishments.